from America's Abstracts, bringing you a fresh new video tonight. Trying to post a lot more often and whatnot. Losing my words, whatever. I just wanted to experiment with this Little Piggy Pigments tonight some more and just kind of play around with her interference colors. So I used from this Little Piggy the Velvet, which is almost kind of like a blue, like ultraviolet like interference. Ball Gown, which is like a gold interference. This Little Piggy Twinkle, which is kind of like a green interference. And then I used this Little Piggy Lakeside, which is almost kind of like a turquoise a little bit. But I love it. It's a great metallic. I used a black pillow and I used my white cell activator. So I hope you enjoy. It's just a little coaster, but I think it's so cute. Make sure to like, subscribe, and make sure to hit the little bell down there so then you can keep on getting notifications when I do new videos. Thanks!